What is IUID? IUID, or Item Unique Identification, is a Department of Defense mandate that requires a globally unique item identifier to track items throughout their lifecycle. The IUID mandate applies to all entities within the Department of Defense supply chain. Department of Defense contractors. All contractors supplying the Department of Defense with qualifying items must ensure the IUID compliance. This includes prime contractors, subcontractors, and any entity involved in the manufacturing, assembling, or delivering of Department of Defense assets. Suppliers furnishing components or materials to contractors for Department of Defense projects are subject to IUID requirements. Even if a supplier's product is not the final deliverable, it may still require IUID marking if it becomes part of a larger IUID-compliant assembly. Internal Department of Defense agencies must also comply with IUID regulations for their assets. This ensures consistency and facilitates seamless tracking across the entire Department of Defense ecosystem. So, why should you comply with IUID? Not complying with IUID can hold up payments and potentially jeopardize both current and future contracts with Department of Defense suppliers. The Department of Defense mandates IUID marking for specific categories of assets, including new assets, items exceeding $5,000 in acquisition cost, serially managed assets, mission-critical equipment, and controlled inventory, along with legacy items, or government-furnished property, which refers to assets that are owned by the Department of Defense but in the possession of contractors. An IUID mark includes a 2D data matrix barcode that includes the enterprise identifier, for example, a cage code, along with a serial number. It may also include the part number, depending on which construct is used. The IUID system utilizes two primary serialization methods, Construct 1 and Construct 2. These methods define how the unique identifier is constructed and encoded. Construct 1 consists of the enterprise identifier, for example, the cage code, along with a serial number. With this construct, the part is serialized within the enterprise identifier. Construct 2 consists of the enterprise identifier, part number, and serial number. The part is serialized within the part number of the enterprise. Why should you use Metalcraft for IUID? We have experience in IUID since 2004, along with a full line of durable IUID-compliant nameplates and labels. Nearly any application can be met with a customized solution from our experts. We are ITAR registered and DFARS compliant, so you know your data is secure. Metalcraft can register your IUIDs, making us a one-stop shop for IUID compliance. Metalcraft, your partner in IUID compliance. For more information, please contact us at 800-437-5283 or www.idplate.com.